tiempo es llegar a tiempo en donde tú vas a viajar. Salir a tiempo es llegar a tiempo para ver a tu familia.
Copa vision is to be the best connections in Latin America for passengers.
We started by finding out what was most important to our customers.
To be there on time.
Llegar a tiempo.
To be right on time.
Llegar a tiempo. On-time arrival. That's our corporate goal.
And on time means with all the papers that the captain needs, all the bags, all the foods, and all the passengers.
15 years ago when I started in Copa, basically our on-time performance was almost a toss of a coin. And it was a 50-50 chance of departing on time. We had days of 10% on-time performance.
We looked at what we considered world-class airlines, and we saw on-time performance in the mid-80s. So we set ourselves a goal to get to those levels.
So we started then looking at other airlines, how they did it, and basically film the way they turn around aircraft. And then we came back to Panama and we practiced. And we started measuring the time that it took every process. So we timed how long it took for the passengers to get deboarded, how long it took for the cleaners to clean the aircraft, how long it took for everything. We really focus on the things that we can control. And we have a saying here that if you cannot measure it, you cannot improve it. Originally, it was 58 minutes it took us to turn around an aircraft. And then we were able to lower it by improving on these processes down to 35 minutes.
Communication and the effort that we put in it has allowed for our company goals, our company values, our vision to be real, to be something that we live by.
Now everybody knows what we're doing and where we're going because we've cascaded our objectives.
Cascading is passing the company goals to every level in the company, so everybody that works here knows how his work can contribute to the goal.
Once we set those goals, we have to make sure that our job is directly connected to those goals.
Cada persona sabe cuál es su rol y cómo impacta en la economía de la empresa.
Knitting is when you have shared goals between departments or between persons, and you have to work together to get it.
In the hub, we are all together, all the supervisors from different departments. It's a place where we can talk, we can give ideas, and be prepared to any contingency.
We have plans. Sometimes plan A, sometimes plan A, plan B, and plan C. Okay, we plan ahead.
A delay, a cancellation, if passengers need any help, we can solve it right here, quick.
We used to do just our jobs. Now we do whatever is needed to get the company achieve their goals.
At the beginning, only the supervisor gave the answers to the employees. Now each employee have the tools to fix it.
Antes de tener nuestro goal de on-time performance, los capitanes tomaban todas las decisiones. Al final, ellos estaban a cargo. La primera vez que cerré la puerta de los aviones, los capitanes preguntaron, hey, ¿qué estás haciendo? ¿Quién eres tú? Yo le dije, yo soy Ramfi García y vamos a operar en tiempo.
And when we start with this program, we close the door 1 or 2 minutes before the departure, because if you don't close the door 1 or 2 minutes before, you're never going to be on time.
And we have to close the door and operating on time, on time, on time.
Buenos días, señoritas. Para Buenos Aires.
Su atención, por favor. Último llamado para pasajeros viajando del vuelo 116 con servicio San José, Managua y Guatemala.
We look for the passengers. We don't wait, because we wait for the passenger, we are going to be delayed. They know that if they wanted to fly in Copa, they have to be on time here. because we are going to departure on time.
This is your final call for passengers flying to Flight 116 San Jose, Managua, and Guatemala.
Even our vendors want us to reach our goals. They cheer for us and we celebrate together.
The on-time performance is like a religion for us.
When we celebrate 100%, it's not 100% in Panama, it's 100% across the board, system-wide.
When we get 100%, we celebrate. We bring pizzas, we bring chicken, we have barbecues.
So we make a big deal with it. We make sure that it's like a wow.
We want to be the best airline in Latin America.
The best, the best, the best.
On-time arrival. That's our corporate goal.